Hey, what's going on everyone? So today I'm going to be doing my first little quote-unquote mod to my Civic EG. So these things come, it's a manual transmission, but there's no RPM gauge. So I got myself a cluster. It's out of a Honda de Sol, and as you can see, this one actually does have an RPM gauge. So what you're going to need for tools is I just got this tiny little flathead to pop out my four-way flashers, as you can see I have done. And then right here there's a screw here and a screw right here, which I used with this little small one to get up in there, and just unscrew these, and then you're able to pull this whole dash piece apart. This whole black piece will come out. You pull this out, obviously, unclip that, and then yeah, we'll pick up once we get that done. Okay, so as you can see, we got this black piece out. So now to take out the cluster, there's a bolt, sorry it's not focusing, bolt there, a bolt there, and then the other two bolts, one right there, one right there. So we'll take that out and then we'll get this cluster out. Okay, so we got the cluster out. There's that little connection here, right there, another one right here. And then there's actually a ground wire that was hooked on right there. It's just looped around a piece of metal. So I got my cluster out. And what I want to do is, because I don't want to be messing with my kilometers and everything, is I'm actually going to take this out so that I have the right kilometers and put it on this one. So I'll take this out. And to take this apart, you just have a clip there, clip there, clip there, and you take it out and you got this little black piece. And all you do is you just pull that. It's kind of scary. You pull it as hard as you can, and then it will come out, and then you unclip this, get all this done, and there's just this one, oh sorry, not one, there's 3 screws in that triangle formation that you can see. You unscrew all those, and this will just pop right out. Okay, so now for the moment of truth, I got my focus, my speedo over, so I got the right kilometers. Got a gauge, everything. Okay, so let's make sure this actually works. Okay, there we go. So you can see it's oil light, battery, parking brake. I saw my check engine light came on. Turn that off real quick. Open my door. I don't think a door light comes on. Open trunk. That's working. Go close that real quick. Okay, now for the main moment of truth. Give it started up. Oh, actually here, do that. That works. It's a little dim over there, but that's not much of an issue. Fuel, temperature. Okay, start it. Okay, there we go. Wow, that actually sits quite low. I mean, my engine is warm, so, I mean, give it a little rev. Okay, so that works, and then I'll go for a little test drive, make sure the speedo actually works. I know that it is an automatic one, so it does have the automatic things. It doesn't bother me too much. I thought about putting tape over it, but honestly it's not too much of an issue for me. So yeah, sweet. So I'll get back to you after the test drive, show you it all, make sure that this is working, and all right. Okay, I just wanted to edit a quick little clip. I know it's quite dark now, but you're probably not going to be able to tell, but just take my word for it. Right here, there's a spot right there behind the four-way flashers that a bolt is probably going to be. There's no bolt there for me, but just for, you know, other people, there might be a bolt there, so just be aware of that.